Pandharpur is a well-known place for Panduranga Vithala. It's Maharashtrians do that their Varkari. It's very popular among Maharashtrians and also from Karnataka, Dasa Sahitya. They adore that place. They go on pilgrimage. Pandharpura. It's the story goes the Pundalika, brick maker, very devoted to the Lord Sri Krishna. He was very devoted, and but at the same time doing lot of his obligatory duties, looking after his old parents also. Sri Krishna was so happy with his devotion, once went to his house to bless him, and Pundalika said, he realized who came, but he said, you wait, I am serving my parents. That is important. And he threw one brick to him. You stand on that one. So the Krishna, so it's inspired by the devotee, he stood on that brick. Brick in Marathi is called as vit, and in Kannada it has become ittige. Vithala means vit, one who stood on the brick. La means the Vithala, it's one who, God in waiting is called as Vithala. Usually devotees are in waiting. Here God is in waiting. He is holding his hands on his waist. He says, I am not tired of waiting for my devotees. That is called as God in waiting, is called as Vithala. He is waiting, it's God in waiting, so caring for the devotees. He is waiting for the devotees, anxiously waiting, and the devotees go there to go to the waiting God. He is very keen to see his devotees. In the Vithala, the Sri Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita also, those who sees me only in the temple, only in the place of worship, only in the altar, are the lowest category. He says, one who sees me in every aspect, in every being. Yat karoshi yadashnashi yajjohoshi dadasiyate. Yat karoshi dadasiyate. Whatever you do, tat tapashyasi kaunteya mat kuru. Madarpanam. Yat kuru madarpanam. Yat karoshi yadashnashi yajjohoshi dadasiyate. Yat tapashyasi kaunteya tat kurushva madarpanam. Whatever you do, whatever your mode of living, see my presence. That type of devotee is very dear to Sri Krishna. And Vithala name, Vithala has 3 letters, Va, Ta and La. Va is V is the Atishaya, it's higher than the V. Va is connected to the Swadhisthana chakra. It's a lower chakra, one of the second lowest chakra. Ta is connected to the moon center behind our head. La is connected to the Mooladhara chakra. Mooladhara chakra, Swadhisthana chakra and Bindu chakra. It is connected to these ones. By this Vithala Kriya Yoga, also it is VKY. It is Nama Sankirtana, combination of Nama Sankirtana, Mudra and Pranayama. Doing that one helps people with urinary problem, helps people with the kidney related problem, helps people with the heart related problem, helps people with nervous related problem and fatigue related problem, helps people with the mental health issues and cluttered mind. I taught this one to one student in the other country. She was saying that she had urinary infection for a long time. Many antibiotics did not help. And kidney issues, heart issues, always fatigue. After doing this one, like a miracle, everything got resorted. Like this we will also practice. Wrap your 3 fingers, your forefinger and thumb together, pointing down in your navel center. You point it to the pointing down around the navel center. You are pointing it down. Forefinger pointing down. And when I say we, inhale, Thala means exhale. Thala, it's like a Kapalabhati. You feel the pressure from the head itself, activates the moon center. Ambrosia from the crown flows down and nourishes the body. Nourishes the body. We'll chant together. You also say together, we inhale, Thala exhale. We will do that one. Inhale, we Thala, 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 we Thala. It's for the uterus health, kidney health, and beneficial for men also with low sperm count. Energy increases, liveliness increases. Feel the calmness within.